How to create PaysafeCard account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create PaysafeCard account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system or device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this search field you'll have to type for PaysafeCard. Alright, so after you'll have to go the first option which will say paysafecard.com, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now from this interface you'll have to go the option sign up, so simply click on it. Alright, so now from here at first you'll have to choose the country of your residence, so simply you have to choose it, and after you choose that you'll have to just tap on this continue option. Alright, so now from here you'll have to create your account from here, so you'll have to provide your email address and you have to create a safe password from here. So after you provide your email address here, you will be able to verify your account with that email address. So for that you'll have to check your Gmail, and from there you'll get a verification code, and now after then you'll have to verify with the verification code. So after you verify your email account, you'll be able to enter your personal details. So in the personal detail you'll have to provide your first name, last name and your date of birth. So after you complete that process, you'll have to again enter your address detail, and from there you'll have to provide your state, street, house number, zip code or city. So after you complete all of the procedure, you'll have to provide your phone number there, and after there you'll have to again confirm your account with the PIN code which you have been received on your phone numbers. So after you complete all of this procedure, from there you'll be able to create your PaysafeCard account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.